Hello people. I found this giant spider, not really that giant, but in my garage. This is my hand. So, bigger than my thumbnail. It's a shamrock spider. Its back kind of looks like a cookie of some sort. But it's kind of pissed because I went and I took its food yesterday and I put it in a jar. So that's what it looks like from above, or close up. So yeah, here's my hand. So yeah. Giant spider. So yeah. Okay then.